what I'll do is I'll put Evan and Adam in a pair in a breakout room, and you guys can workshop your papers. So Evan can workshop Adam's paper, and Adam can workshop Evan's paper. And then if you have an outline, but you have not been able to get your draft done, I'm gonna let you work on your draft today, kind of take the feedback that I gave you in your outline and get your draft together. And then next class you can workshop it.
Okay.
Make sense? So yeah, don't turn it in now.
Okay.
When's the final draft due?
The final draft is due Tuesday at midnight.
All right, word.
Are we doing anything else, or when me and Adam are done, are we good?
You're good. And because you and Adam have your drafts done, you don't actually have to come to class on Tuesday. You can spend that time, making your changes or doing your other final exam work. Good?
Perfect.
All right.
Good. I do want to tell you all, before I kind of say anything else, and while we have people here, today is the last day to fulfill your course evaluations, and there's talk about if COVID is probably still going to be a problem in the fall, and there's talk about doing part or all of next semester online as well, which really fucking sucks. But they want us to really encourage you to fill out the course evaluations, and give feedback on what worked for online classes in particular and what things didn't so much work on online classes. So while we kind of wait for the rest of class to roll in, I can show you how to do that. And some of you I know have done it already. So if you go into Canvas, share my screen. If you go into Canvas, it should be here, my course evaluations. If you click on that, you can fill it out for this and for other classes. So do that now while we wait for other people to roll in. Adam and Evan, if you click on April 24th, you can download this activity, and that has the instructions for the peer workshop. And if you fill that out, you get full credit for today. Okay?
Okay.
Excuse me. The other thing is, I guess I'll keep going. The other thing is, for this last paper, you do need to include secondary sources. That doesn't mean you have to find secondary sources on your own. You should think about using these, which we kind of read for and talked about in class. Here's another one, How to Watch Get Out. Here's this Vox one that was very good. Here's The Atlantic. We also did this one. All of these are secondary sources, so you have to use at least one of them. They're all listed in this activity that we worked on last class. Sorry, get rid of that. And so they're all here. Check out what they are. There's the white privilege one, there's interracial borders. Here's some videos. These all count as secondary sources. So this is about color blindness. This one is about microaggressions. This is about code switching. So instead of just doing a paper about kind of racism in general, kind of do a paper that's more specifically about certain kinds of racism, like microaggressions, like code switching and expectations regarding code switching, like white privilege or color blindness or stuff like that, okay? Also, if you have turned in an outline, I've given you feedback on your outline. Check out that while you're drafting. All right, questions for me? I'm gonna do a quick, I'm gonna do
Do we have a final?
This is your final. The paper is your final.
Oh, easy. Okay.
Yeah. So you've been working on it, and you'll have like today to work on it and next class to work on it. So just to kind of repeat.
Exactly.
The
It's due
idea.
tonight, right?
No.
The draft.
No, it was due for this class.
Oh, I thought it said 1:59.
It said 12:15, but I should have told you. It's partially on me. It's partially my miscommunication.
No worries.
I should have reminded you. So let me do some quick attendance, and then I'll repeat what I said. So the plan for today is, if you turned in an outline, check that out and use the outline and the feedback you got on it to start to draft your paper. If you didn't turn your draft in today, then we will do a peer workshop on Tuesday. If you did turn your draft in today, you don't have to attend that peer workshop on Tuesday. You get that day off. If you didn't turn in an outline and you don't have a draft, I'm going to talk to you one-on-one so that we can get you a plan. So Ashley is here. Micah. I do not see Micah. So Micah, if you're here, say something. Blake. Nope. I don't see you anyway. Chris D, yes. Savannah. Nope, not yet. Ian? No, Ian? No, I see Ian. Sorry. Brandon, I see Brandon. Sean, I see Sean. Summer is here. Connor? No Connor. Mackenzie is here. How about Gabe? No Gabe. Chris Nelson is here. How about Kira? Yes. Adam, yes. Sebastian, yes. No Phil. Cade is here, and Isa is here. Okay, good. All right. All right. So I'm going to put you into breakout rooms. The idea is that 7. All right, so I'm gonna put you in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. And then Evan, where's Evan? All right, so Adam and Evan, you guys are gonna work on drafts together. People who have outlines, I'm gonna put you all in the same breakout room. So that's gonna be Ian and Ashley.
I actually just submitted my draft like right before this class.
Oh, good, excellent. I wasn't sure because I was.
No, it's fine. I just submitted like right at 12:15.
Okay, so in that case, I'm gonna put you in. I'm gonna put you with Adam and Evan, and you can workshop with them.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Okay. So Sebastian has 1, Summer has 1, Brandon has an outline, Mackenzie has an outline, and Christy has an outline. Okay, so Ashley, Adam, and Evan are going to workshop. Brandon, you have an outline, Kate has an outline, Chris has an outline, Ian has an outline, Mackenzie has an outline, Sebastian has an outline, and Summer has an outline. What I want you guys to do is look at the feedback on your outlines and work on your drafts for now. And what I'm going to do is, that's why you're all in one breakout room, is like you can ask each other questions if you want, but most of the time I figure you'll be on mute and just working, and I can kind of drop in if I have any announcements. The rest of you, Kira, Chris, Nelson, Isa, I'd like to kind of talk to you guys one-on-one about your plan and what you're thinking about for the paper. Good? All right, here I'm going to open the rooms. Okay. So head out to your breakout room. Chris, Sean, and Sebastian, you guys can head out to your breakout rooms and I'll drop in on you in just a minute, okay? Yep. Okay. Hey, Kira.
Hi.
Hi. What are you thinking for your final paper? I'd like to get you kind of an outline so that you can kind of start working.
Okay. Yeah, but I've been like trying to bang out the other two, but I've
Oh,
been
the
like
other two papers?
I've been like crazy busy, so like
Yeah.
I haven't even really thought about the third paper.
How about the Macbeth paper? How's that one going?
It's going good. That one's like easier because I like read that in high school too, so it's like
Yeah, you were kind of an expert on Macbeth, I remember.
yeah.
So hopefully that one's going better. Do you want to kind of wait for a bit and maybe meet on Monday to talk about the Get Out paper?
Yeah, can we meet on Monday for it?
Yeah, so stay in your breakout room and use this time to work on your other two papers. And if I have announcements, then I can drop in on you. But like, let's make a time on Monday to
Okay.
talk. What does your Monday schedule look like?
I just have 2 classes in the morning.
What times are your classes on Monday?
I have an 8 and then a 9:25.
So wondering if you get out of either of those early, can you let me know?
Yeah.
My general block on Monday is is like the 9:25 block because I teach at 8 and then in the last one, and then I'm responsible for the kids in the afternoon. So let me know if you're able to get out of either one of those early.
Okay.
And if not, maybe we can meet like before class on Tuesday next
Okay.
week. Okay. And you can have an extension. All right, I'm gonna leave the breakout room. I'm gonna let you work.
All right.